What's up? It's Ronald McDonald. We're gonna do this right this time. Last time it got to be too philosophical. For the coconut almond yogurt, you take 1 part of the coconut meat, put that in the blender, the high-speed blender. You gotta have a relatively high-speed blender, Vitamix, Blend-Tac, something like that. And then you take 1 part of the almonds, and then 1 part of the water. And then, cool, that's 3 quarts, cool, perfect. I'm gonna add some of the Life Essentials, Paradigm Natural, just to boost it up to the next level of higher consciousness and nourishment, baby. There's nothing more nourishing and satisfying than coconut almond yogurt. And you can make dips and dressings and sauces and milks and everything, and it's all this bioactive, bioregenerative, just high vibration with the soaked almonds and the living coconut and the living coconut water. Add a few probiotics in here to take it to the next level, which is the culturization, and then always take a little probiotic for yourself and then brush your teeth with it. Keeps your gums ridiculously healthy. Can you dig it? And don't forget the floss, kids. Where's the lid? It's right here. And let's see what happens. Can you dig it? That's how we do it, baby. That is how it's done. That's a big old batch of seed. Oh man, I was gonna make coconut Brazil nut yogurt. Oh, I'll have to do that one next. If you do the same exact thing, but do it with Brazil nuts, next level. Can you dig it? So this one is for my landlord. She's out in the pool right now. We just had a great talk. Everybody trying to get healthy. And then, last but not least, you have the whole thing right there. Boom. Boom, shakalaka. Again, another DTM. Man, this is good, because this is going to make some really good stuff. All kinds of great stuff I'm going to make with these. This, and so I'll give this. You know what I'm going to do for her? I don't like to give my plastic lids away. I will use a metal lid. And I just wanted to say to everybody, thank you very much for watching the show today and every day. Adding to the Google AdSense and everything else that you do. You can always join the Elite Video Club and get the best of DTM, uncensored and unfiltered. And of course, you can always contact me for a consultation. Getting healthy is not that hard. I actually dig deeper into what's really bothering people, and I try to provide, you know, just a transmission of upgrade. So thanks everybody for watching the show. We're gonna get out of here in less than 5 minutes. Can you dig it? DTM is out. Peace. Thank you. Enjoy your coconut almond yogurt. Out.